Hello, this is Lekha from Informatica GCS team. In this video, we shall see how to upgrade Informatica services in silent mode. The agenda of this video is to give an overview of when Informatica services could be upgraded in silent mode, what are the tasks involved, and then a demo. Upgrading in silent mode would be similar to installation in silent mode and involve same set of steps, but with a few changes to the options to be set in Properties file. Refer to the link here in the end for installation of Informatica services in silent mode. Upgrade the Informatica services in silent mode to upgrade without user interaction, and to upgrade the domain on the same machine and same domain configuration repository database. There are three tasks involved. First is configuration of properties file. Second is running the installer with the properties file. And third is securing the passwords in the properties file, as the passwords would be provided in plain text format. Now let us move to the demo. I am in Linux box. Informatica 10.5 server Linux installer file has been copied to this path and extracted. Silent input upgrade.properties file here is the sample properties file that has the options necessary for upgrading the Informatica services. The same file has been copied here. Let us have a quick glance at those options. Enable usage collection is set to 1 to accept the product usage toolkit. Install type is set to 1 to upgrade a previous version of Informatica. User install directory represents the installation directory of new version of Informatica to which we would be upgrading. Upgrade backup directory represents the installation directory of previous version of Informatica. This is the domain username, domain password, and password confirmation. Key destination location is the directory to store encryption key of upgraded version. Silent input upgrade.properties file has been copied to silent input.properties file, which would be picked by the installer when it's being run. Now let us go ahead and run the installer. When prompted for Linux password, enter the password. It takes a while for the installation, and the installation is completed now. Log file for the same could be reviewed from new Informatica installation directory. This is the log file which has been generated, where we can see that the upgrade is successfully completed. Also, the admin console is up with version 10.5. Two things to note here. Shut down the domain and take a backup of the domain before starting the upgrade process. Refer to the document for more information. We would love to hear from you. Any feedback, please write to us. Thank you.